Hey folks, John Head here. Welcome to another edition of my vlog. Just a quick update and core follow-up to the market update that I did last. Had done a little more research and I got a great couple questions from clients. The last one, Don G, who is a client. What happens and what's going on in the marketplace. And here's the real indicators that I've been able to further research. We had back-to-back storms, which always slows or complicates things as far as even potential buyers. And if you're a buyer, you know this. You might have had plans, and then all of a sudden Florence shows up, so you divert your plans and don't come to the Outer Banks. We didn't have any real damage here during Florence at all. Michael did do some flooding in Kill Devil Hills, but Hatteras was untouched, unscathed for the most part. Water in Avon, there were some cars that nobody knew it was coming at 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning, but so there's really the storms always disrupt traffic to the Outer Banks. Two, rising interest rates seem to have stumbled us about, and that always is the case. But third, and I thought this was really intuitive of some of my peers, is that the market was so good May, June, July, even August, which is normally a kind of a stagnant time, kind of a little slower because there's so many vacationers. It's hard to get in houses. It's hard to show them. So you have to pick a Saturday or Sunday turnover to get in. But what happens, I think, is the industry itself and the market was indicating higher prices, higher prices, higher prices. And we may have actually outpriced the buying public. And I don't think all of those, especially as you move south to Hatteras Island, is the case, but certainly we have seen, as I mentioned in the previous video, a 17% increase or decrease in under contracts in September. I see that off considerably more in October, and hopefully that changes here in November, because in any one given year, I write half of my unit sales, and that could be a buyer side or a seller side, so you understand what I'm saying when I say units. And if I'm sitting here today with 42, I could expect to do 20 additional units or more in September, October, and November. And then after Thanksgiving, or once we get into early or mid-December, things get real quiet till normally after the new year for the Outer Banks. But there's still some sales in there, but not customarily as many as we would see in that early fall, September, October, and November. So I hope that helps. If you have any questions, shoot me an email at john@Colony Realty Corp. Anytime, if you got questions or you would like additional information, I'll gladly arrange a call and talk you through that a little bit. If you're thinking about buying, where the best opportunities are. If you're thinking about selling, how to price it to make it move quickly. If you haven't done so, go to colonyrealtysales.com. Everybody's raving about our site. It is fast. It's efficient. You can set up your own searches. Just put in your email, and most of you know we already probably have your cell number, but however you want to set your password up, that'll happen. And then you can just create searches, and you would see something new comes on the market. If there was a price change or something recently sold, we provide you that information. We want you to be well informed to make a decision of buying or selling here on the Outer Banks. So take a look at that. Again, it's www.colonyrealtysales.com, and sign up in there and take a look and see what you think. And if you want to arrange a call for me, just dial 252-592-4OBX or 4629. And my office is 252-995-5500. I hope this helps. I was trying to keep it short. I still got into the past 3 minutes, but here you go. So have a great one till we see you here at the beach. Talk to you soon.